Good morning. Hey, day one.
of second vacation. So this morning, we got up bright and early. We were already packed, so that was helpful. Both took a shower and left the ship. The most efficient exit of a ship. We're crooked. Are we crooked to you guys? Okay. Well,
don't answer that.
The most efficient exit of a ship ever.
We kept our bags, so we didn't turn them into the port the night before. So we kept our bags, and we had my scooter, and we literally went out of our room, went down one floor, got in a line. 5 minutes later, we were off the boat.
And
5 minutes after that, we had
sat
an Uber.
down, got an Uber. They were 6 minutes away. Next thing we know, we're here.
We're
at Walt Disney World at the Grand
Floridian.
Floridian. I almost said California.
We're in Florida.
So this, we're going to show you the hotel. We've already given a room tour. I don't know if you've seen it yet or if that's later. This hotel is fashioned after, there we go, sorry. It's fashioned...
We're still figuring out our tripod. Don't mind us while everything
I don't know
just
if this will be edited or not.
falls down.
Okay.
It's kind of funny. Wait. They're straightening.
Okay. Huh.
Is that straightened?
Don't move the table. I think that's our
touching
problem.
anything.
It's fashioned after the Hotel Del in San Diego where we live.
Yeah, and if you see the outside of this, there's absolutely no doubt.
This is the DVC to be at in Florida. This is, you're staying at the Grand Floridian.
It's the oh my god hotel.
So you know what? Before we meet up with the girls on Sunday, we thought, let's just do this. It's 2 nights.
Yep.
Let's do it. Let's spend the points and take this in. We're doing nothing today. So this will be a little bit of a shorter video because we are going to just take in the room.
Yeah, we're going to Instacart and get some food so we don't even have to leave the room.
We're going to cook.
We're just going to cook in the room.
We're going to cook. We've
got this gorgeous bathtub and we've got some bath salts to put in there.
Yeah.
We've got, we have a week's worth of laundry to do from the ship, so we're going to get that done too. So, yeah, just this
so this video that we're making right now is, we're going to end and start again tomorrow. The girls are coming, Lola and Sarah, a couple other friends, Sarah and Rihanna, another Sarah, and Rihanna are joining us, and Rihanna's not coming till Sunday. Anyway, we have friends joining us.
A bunch of us are going to Magic Kingdom.
We're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. We're going to spend the day at Magic Kingdom. We're going to come back, go down to the pool here, take in the resort while we have it. They're going to bring a day bag, because why not? So we just wanted, we're here.
Yeah, we're here tonight and tomorrow night, and then Sunday we'll be over at the Saratoga, and we'll show you videos of that too.
It's the Grand Villa. It's a 2-story villa.
3-stay vacation for us. The cruise ship, the Grand Villa, and then the Grand Suite.
Yeah. The 1-bedroom villa and the Grand Villa.
Right.
Yeah. The room tour will be on this. Probably after. We'll probably do it after. But we just wanted to say hi, and we're here in this beautiful place. So, you know what? Let's show you this. And good night. We will see you in the morning.
Yeah, this is our exit and our entrance.
We're gonna take a big down day.
Or maybe she'll split them apart and make it our entrance. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Okay.
When she edits.
So, see you tomorrow morning.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're at the Grand Floridian, 1-bedroom villa. We're with DVC, so that's helpful. We're on the 5th floor, room 1503, and we're gonna show you the room. We're so excited. So here's 1503. Oh, the elevators are down that way. Let's do that. Okay, so when we first come in, you've got, thank you theme park gals, you got Murder Door. And then to the right, I'm not going to go in here yet, we'll go the other way around, but This is an access to the bathroom. You've got your closet, stackable washer and dryer, which we're definitely going to use, and electrical panel. So again, front door, walking in, you have a little nook with cabinetry that you can put things in. Below there too, I don't think anything's in them. Oh, trash cans there. Okay. Great dining area. And then you've got your beautiful kitchen. It has everything. I'm not going to open all the drawers and stuff. Okay, it's got plates, bowls, cookingware, glasses, silverware, stovetop, your 4 bagel toaster. They already provide for the coffee. They already provide for here for cleaning, and they have. And then your fridge looks like cabinetry, but it's a full-size fridge. Mini, you can make ice, and then a full freezer. So that's pretty cool. Right into the living room. So again, I'm not pulling this bed down, but this is a Murphy bed with a full-size mattress. So no longer sleeping on a pull-out sofa, but really nice. We have sat in them, they're very comfortable. This also comes out as a bed. Welcome us. I'll get to the patio in a minute. And here's the bedroom. Beautiful bed. I already know, it's just comfy. Little writing area, another TV with dressers. Full closet. When I was a little kid, if we ever went to a place with closets like this, I deemed it my room. I'd set up right there for privacy. Here's one of the main reasons that we wanted this, is this tub, this basin tub. Oh, I cannot wait. Air bubbles on the bottom. We just bought bath salts. Here's one sink that you can get ready at. I believe there's TV in the, yep, if that's what you like. Here's the door that leads back to the hallway. Full-length mirror. Hi. Me and my white legs, not for long. Another sink. And a shower that, is this a light? Nope. Is this a light? Yes. Very, oh my gosh, very deep shower. That's a great shower. Okay. And that's it. It's a lot. And we're happy with it. So we'll be staying here for 2 nights before we join the girls at a grand villa at Saratoga Springs. So, oh, I forgot to show you the balcony. We did not care about our view, so but look at the size of this balcony. Okay, so this is from the bedroom. Oh, I guess you can see the pool, monorail. It goes all the way down there. Little seats and chairs. It was raining a little bit ago, but now it's not. And this down here is the pathway to the big house. So this is fashioned after the Coronado Dell in San Diego, where we live. We're very happy to be staying here. Very happy to be staying here. Okay.
Oh, they broke it in the airport. They broke it. And you know what? Watch your toes. I'm going to back up. No beep beep. Took that right out.